Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to try and give you all of the information that you need to start making these articles that will promote your Redbubble or other print-on-demand websites, your designs for you, okay? So let's just quickly talk about what I'm talking about here. So the other day I was streaming, I found some very interesting keywords using SE ranking. If you want to give this tool a try, there is a link in the description. It's not an affiliate link, it's a tracking link, but yeah, whatever. So you can use this tool or you can just watch this video and you don't really need to use the tool. So yeah, and I was looking and I just thought it was really interesting. All of these keywords: stickers for helmets, motorcycle stickers for helmets, fire helmet stickers. All of these things would be really niche articles like this, especially fire helmet stickers. Okay, that's an insane keyword. So this is the base keyword for the article. Okay, so the best fire helmet stickers that will leave you, I don't know, burning with happiness. No idea, whatever. So this is supposed to be a clickable title. Okay, so the premise of these articles is very simple. So first of all, I want to show you this. If you go on your Redbubble dashboard, this is specific to Redbubble, okay? Probably other websites have a much better system than Redbubble does. Honestly, Redbubble, yeah, their system kind of sucks. So if you go on dashboard, so click here and then click on dashboard and then go to link to other sites, okay? And you go all the way down. There's actually a bit of code that you can embed on any website, okay? And it will display your designs just like you can see here. And if you click here, it takes me to my design, okay? So I want to know, first of all, if anyone knows a way to make this show either specific designs or show designs that contain a certain keyword or whatever it might be, okay? If someone can work out how to do that, then you're a legend and you'll save everyone so much time, energy, and effort. But if this isn't possible, then the way that we would have to do this is we would have to use short code, which I've talked about a couple of times before. This may seem complicated, but it's not complicated. I'm not going to show you how to do this in this video, but for WooCommerce it's possible, and for Shopify it's apparently possible. It looks a bit like it might be an app, which is not ideal, honestly, because we don't really want to use apps because you have to pay for them. I reckon there's a way to do it for Shopify internally, like on Shopify itself. I haven't really checked this, but I'm 99.99% sure that you can display products that have a certain certain title or whatever it might be. So if I scroll down on WooCommerce and display product attributes, so category is one, okay? So you can make a WordPress website or WooCommerce website. You can upload all of your Redbubble products, okay? And then you can set the category as, for example, fire helmet stickers, okay? So you make a web page on your WordPress called Best Fire Helmet Stickers. You tag all of the designs that you want to be a fire helmet sticker. The beautiful thing about this is you can do, each design can be motorcycle helmet stickers, fire helmet stickers, so you don't need to do 50 different stickers for each article, okay? And then all you do is you upload the product images from Redbubble, okay? You put them on a WooCommerce store, and then you just put a button that says buy now on Redbubble on every product page, okay? Or you can just even make it so when people click your products, they're just taken directly to Redbubble in the first place. Thinking about it in my head now while I'm writing this article, you could also do something, this might not work that, it would probably be a bit too slow, but I guess you could upload an image onto your WordPress product page, or sorry, onto the blog post. This blog post, you upload one image here of a sticker, and then you just link that to your Redbubble, and then you write some text here, and then you do the same thing. You have another image, maybe here, you have another sticker image that you want to be associated with fire helmet stickers, and then that will just link directly to the Redbubble product. So if you don't really want to mess around with short codes because it's a little bit too complicated for you, then don't worry. You can literally just put an image with a link. I'm just going to write link, even though that's technically not correct, but whatever. It's supposed to be ahref if people don't know. Link to Redbubble product. It's that simple, guys. Actually thinking about it, you don't really have to mess around with shortcodes. I personally would prefer to do shortcodes just because it just feels better. It has a lot of integral SEO and like HTML built into it, so I think shortcodes are really, really good. And also they're quicker, obviously, as well. But yeah, I guess there's two different ways to do this. You can do a WooCommerce or Shopify store, or you can just do a WordPress blog and just spam out these articles. You can set it up so you just upload all of the product images as images. Let me just show you what I'm talking about, because I do actually have a WordPress website, which is the cryptophile.me. If you haven't watched my SEO series, if you want to do SEO, then definitely check out my SEO playlist. Okay, so what you can just do is you can just go on your library and just add all of your images. Okay, you can just drag and drop all of your product images that you've downloaded from Redbubble. And then all you have to do is go on page and add a new page. And then this is really cheap, by the way. It costs like $30 for a year to host a WordPress website, basically. I can teach you guys all about this. I do have a series on this, but I might do this myself, because now I've realized that you can just do it like this. It's actually going to be a lot quicker and you don't have to use WooCommerce. I reckon these articles, you can bust them out. And remember, you can use the same sticker for different articles. Okay, so all you would have to do is get your 50 products or whatever it might be, download them all, write some really, really, really surface level articles, and just link them to your Redbubble. Not only is this potentially going to bring organic traffic to your Redbubble store, it's also a backlink. Okay, so you're investing maybe $30. I think I got Hostinger. Let's see how much Hostinger is at the moment for 1 year. $2.99 for 1 year. So what is that? $2.99 for 1 year. 12. Yeah, it's like $30. $34.99 maybe. Maths. I'm pretty good at maths, but not right now. Okay, so if you would like me to go into more detail about this process, I will set up my own website. Again, I actually really enjoy making websites, so it doesn't really matter to me. I'll do this, I'll write as many of these articles as possible, and I'll show you guys how it's done. Thanks for watching, guys. I honestly believe this is one of the biggest marketing opportunities, because it allows us to get traffic that other people can't get because they're not doing this, okay? Before I go, I did want to show you something. Oh my God, that's my friend on League of Legends. Best sarcastic t-shirt. I do want to show that there is a reason to do this. So this is a much better keyword, much less niche keyword. And if I just scroll down, you'll see, okay, the keyword was actually best sarcastic mom t-shirts, I remember now. I think it had 5,000 searches a month. And look at that. There's one of these articles that I've been talking about the entire time, 28 shirts for the sarcastic mom. Perfect keyword. This will be selling loads, guys. Look at that. These are all just affiliate links. So these aren't even their products. These are affiliate links. Remember that. Okay, that's important. Thanks for watching, guys. I really, really hope you enjoyed, and peace out.